Okay, so I stumbled upon this command line tool called gmailtail, and it's all about monitoring Gmail messages as JSON. How cool is that?
Right? I mean, the ability to monitor real-time emails continuously, that changes how you interact with your inbox entirely.
Exactly. Like imagine not having to keep refreshing your email app just to see if something important came in.
And the filtering options are super flexible. You can filter by sender, subject, or even labels. It's pretty powerful.
Yeah, and it's great because you can set it up with Gmail's advanced search syntax. That's huge.
Oh, wow. So if you want to catch only urgent emails, you just define that in your settings. That's brilliant.
Totally. Plus, the checkpoint feature is a game changer. If you need to resume later, it saves your spot.
That's so handy. It's like having a bookmark in a book. You don't lose your place, and you can pick up right where you left off.
And speaking of handy, it's got support for OAuth too. I mean, authenticating is actually pretty seamless.
Exactly. That's such a vital feature these days. No one wants to deal with password management.
Right? So it's making it easier for people to automate their email management. What a time saver.
And the output formats. You have JSON, JSON lines, and even a compact format. That's versatility.
I know. It's perfect for developers wanting to integrate email processing into a larger system.
Speaking of integration, can you imagine automating notifications for system alerts via email?
Whoa, that gives me chills. You could set up a script that alerts you for specific email patterns instantly.
Exactly. Monitoring server alerts could be a lifesaver. Immediate actions from email content? Game on.
And think about it. With the right queries, you could gather metrics about email activity, like a mini analytics tool.
Oh, wow. That can help in identifying trends or even spotting unusual patterns in communication.
Yes, just imagine running daily summaries of activities or even notifications for anomalies in your emails.
That's actually really interesting because it can help in a lot of fields, from IT to personal management.
Definitely. Now I'm wondering if this could also serve as a backup solution for important emails.
Great point. You could automate archiving significant conversations in a structured way as JSON files.
Right? This tool could be like your personal email historian, keeping track of everything.
Haha, I love that idea. You could analyze past communications at any point.
Let me think about this. It's like turning email management into a data science project.
Exactly. You could visualize trends over time, spotting changes in communication habits.
And you could even identify peak times for incoming emails. That's genuinely useful.
It's fascinating. All of this from a tool designed just to monitor emails?
I know, right? But the implications are massive. What if businesses started using this extensively?
Then you'd see a shift in how organizations handle communication and information management.
Exactly. This is blowing my mind. It's like this tool turns emails into actionable insights.
But wait until you hear what happens next. It can even process attachments.
No way. So it can monitor emails with certain attachments and filter those out?
Yep, that's a whole new level of monitoring. It could save so much time for busy professionals.
Wow, this could revolutionize how we think about handling our email inboxes. So many uses.
Totally. This isn't just a tool. It's like a whole new approach to personal productivity.
Right? Just imagine a world where email management is sleek, efficient, and automated.
Exactly. It's all about maximizing efficiency without losing track of important communications.
So if we put this all together, it's about harnessing email data to create actionable insights.
That's the bigger picture. It's not just about what you receive, but how you can leverage it.
Yeah, and that's a huge takeaway. Modern tools should be about enhancing our capabilities.
Absolutely. So what's the next big step for tools like this?
I'm curious if this could lead to even more integration with AI in managing emails.
Oh, that would be mind-blowing. Imagine AI analyzing your emails and suggesting actions.
That would take efficiency to another level. The future of email is looking intriguing.
And it starts with tools like gmailtail, which open up a world of possibilities.